In today's video, we are gonna be learning how to create this iridescent shader in Blender. So let's get started. So first of all, remove the default cube and the light. Download the 3D model from the link available in the description and import it into the viewport. Now change its x-axis rotation to 0 degrees and reduce the scale value to 0.1. Set the origin as geometry to origin. Select the camera and press Ctrl plus Alt plus 0 to align the camera to the scene. Increase the focal length of the camera and reduce the y-axis value of the location in transform properties. Change the camera resolution to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Make few changes to the y-axis location value in transform properties. Select the 3D model and try to rotate it to give it a different kind of a look. Shift the x-axis value of the camera in focal length properties. Besides this, you can also change the resolution of the camera. For the shading part, head over to Shader Editor. Select the skull and unplug the image texture. Increase metallic and specular to 1 and reduce roughness to 0.2. Also reduce the transmission value to 0. Now head over to world properties and reduce the color to all the way dark. Then after that, add an environment texture. Now in the shader editor, switch from object to world. Download the Gem Inference HDRI from polyheaven.com and use the same HDRI for the scene. Head over to rendered mode to see the visual changes. Add a plane mesh to the viewport, rotate it 90 degrees in x-axis and move it backwards in such a way that it serves as a background for the scene. Select the environment texture and press Ctrl plus T to get the texture coordinate plus mapping node. Select and drag to move all the 3 node setups away. Now add a color ramp in between. Add multiple color stops to the color ramp. After that, select the color stops one by one and set them to multiple colors as shown in the video. You can also go with colors of your choice. Flip the color ramp and switch from RGB to HSV and near to far. Enable a few important EV settings. Thank you so much to everyone for watching the video. If you found the video useful, do drop a like, subscribe the channel, don't forget to add your valuable comment. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning.